All right, stop, stop. You're doing it wrong. Ground up. And you never should be fighting with it. You were fighting with it. That told you to stop drilling because you're going to strip it. There you go. Perfect. Stop. Too much. You don't want it all the way in. You just want enough in there. That's it. Stop. Pull this one out some. The screw. All right, now you push the plug all the way in with your fingers. Or with your drill. Push it all the way in. Flatten it against that box. Flatten it against that box. There you go. Flatten it against the box. Good job. Now I'll put that plate on in all this. Good. Put that plate on. Wrong. The other way. Wrong. The other way. Wrong. The other way. Flip it. Flat side in. There you go. There you go. Now slide across. There you go. Now you put the bubble cover on.
Don't I gotta screw this all the way in?
No. Put the bubble cover on first. Garbage. Throw it away. Bubble cover. No. That's the last thing you put on. Yes. Tear the guts out. There you go. You got to figure this out, Alex.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You're upside down. There you go. You see these little, give me this. You see those right there? Those are knockouts. That's where somebody's putting something in. So you want it to work that way. So now go ahead. All right, stop. Stop. All right, put that on. Now you put that on. You got it right? You got to go to the big hole first.
Yeah, I know.
Do one at a time. There you go. Now do the other one. Keep going to it. Pull it out. Pull it. There you go.